Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix errors. Sorry, there was a problem with your request on Instagram on your iPhone. For example, if you try to log in into your Apple ID on your Instagram ID on your iPhone, and after that you see this kind of error on your Instagram login. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So first of all, you have to close this page. And after that, the next thing you have to do is you have to simply log in with your another Apple ID, or you can simply grab your friend's phone where you can simply log in your Instagram ID. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply open the Instagram. And after that, you have to click on profile. And here what you have to do, you have to simply click on three lines. In three lines, you have to click on settings and privacy. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of help. So here you have to click on that. So here you have to simply click on report a problem, and after that you have to click on report a problem without shaking, and you have to click on don't include and continue. So here what you have to do, you have to simply provide all the details of the problem you are having, and after that you can simply attach the screenshot of the problem. You can simply written here, hello Instagram team. So I try to log in into my account and it is saying there was a problem with your request. Kindly solve this problem for me as soon as possible. Moreover, you can also attach the screenshot here. And after that, you can simply click on send from your friend's phone or from your another account. But if you do not have another account or friend's phone, then what you have to do, you have to simply open the Safari here, and here what you have to do, you have to simply search for Instagram Help Center. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply click on the first link you are provided with. So here what you have to do, you have to simply search for the problem you are having. And if you are not having the problem discussed here, so here what you have to do, you have to simply search for the problem. And if you are not having that problem, then you have to simply select any random problem, and after that they will tell you about the detail. And you have to simply select any of the problem here, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of was this helpful. So here you have to click on no, and here you have to click on the solution doesn't work, and after that you have to simply provide all the details of the problem you are having. And also you can attach the Gmail or any connection so that Instagram team can connect to you and solve the problem for you. So hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.